Hi everyone, I wanted to show you something that I came across today. It's a really clever tool called Speak It by Chrome, and to install it's really quick. So this would be helpful for your students who find it difficult to do some research because they're struggling to read what is on the research. So go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Speak, and this icon will come up with Speak It, and you just add it to Chrome. If you just add the extension, in the top right hand corner you'll find this icon here. So what you can do then is if you go to a website, so this is about Liverpool City Centre, you highlight the little bit that you want to read. If you right click it, you'll find an icon that says Speak It.
Liverpool City Centre is the commercial, cultural, financial, and historical centre of Liverpool, England.
And that's as quick as it is, really easy. So it's called Speak It, it's on Chrome, it's really quick and easy to install. It's just instant really, and I just think it's a really good tool for those students who are finding it difficult to read and research. Good luck, hope to see you soon, bye.